Hi guys, this is channel EVACARMAT, and today we've done another one car, and this is the car Mazda 6 with year 2004. And have a look inside, guys. We done this car with their yellow webbing, black color mat. Have a look here, everywhere is boards. It's gonna help to keep the old dirt inside of the car mat. We'll also adjust for the left leg, for the right leg, and molded the car mat, especially for the accelerator. We did the lines here. Here we have an aluminum frame, and have a look also on the side. Here it's for the passengers area. Between that we did additional here. Sorry for it's late, we're doing this video, that's why it's a little bit dark. Here as well we did for the passengers area. And let's have a look on the back. What do we have in the trunk area? Hold on. And what that, guys? Could you give me? I just want this one. Oh, it's okay, no worry. And have a look on this beautiful boot. Guys, don't ask is it available or not, because all the mats is custom. I don't keep that in stock. And just call 0434 600 888 and to pick up your car. Thank you, and don't forget to press them up, and don't forget to review your comments, please. Thank you, bye bye.